Matiang'i uria urekereirie horo yo hindi ya giikaro na andiki a mohoro augite thirikari nirikitie gwikia ngono amwe aria makoretwo magitheremia mbica ici itari cia kwihokeka, akiuga thirikari iri cemba niguo gutigirira thayo wa bururi ndunakorwo githingithio.
I need to point out that I have been informed this morning that we have made some arrests, and we will continue to do this to ensure that there is a measure of responsibility in the manner in which we conduct ourselves.
Augite ona gutuika ni gukoretwo na mirurungano thiini wa icigo itiganite ta Mathare, Kibira hamwe na mwena wa Kisumu. Maabitha borithi ni marikitie kwiyarira na niguo kuhitana na aria mangithoga thayo wa muingi itemine ria gutigirira biashara itinakorwo ikihotoma.
Individuals or gangs that are looting shops, that want to endanger lives, that are breaking into people's businesses, those are not demonstrators, they are criminals. And you expect the police to deal with criminals how criminals should be dealt with.
Oho Matiang'i ni ahinyiriirie kuga thirikari ndigukorwo ikiunira ritho aria makoretwo magitumuranga heha na gucungireria wanangiki wa indo, akiuga aria mekunyitikana na ikinyanagia matungio maruru ma watho.
People who break into shops are not peaceful protesters. People who burn buses are not peaceful protesters by any stretch of imagination. People who break into people's homes to loot and steal are not peaceful protesters. So you cannot say the police used live bullets on peaceful protesters. It is not true.
Aromereria mwaho wa NASA makoretwo mehereirie mirurungano kuma muthi wa ira magitomithia maumirira maithurano nene maria mararekereirio ni kamiti ya ABC na kuria President Uhuru aranereirwo ta muhotani thutha wa kuyukia kura milioni 8.2 kuruga mung'ethaniri wake wa hakuhe wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga uria urayukirie kura milioni 3.7. Muigai wa Gathungo, Mutamburuko wa mohoro.